to do and the trims I'm removing, and I'm going to fixing. I have a dummy piece over here. I remove it. This is for the start and stop because I have a manual cranking in my Toyota Aygo. Okay, so that in my manual cranking, what I'm doing is here I have the dummy piece for the start and stop button. So instead of that, I am fixing a telephone charger for the iPhone and normal USB. That means the C cable, Type C, and QC 3.0 for the USB. This is fast charging, not slow charging. This is fast charging. We can fast everything very easily, and we can remove it and keep it. Because I am making a connection because I have a 12 volt connection over here. You see this 12 volt. In addition of that, I want this charger because I am using a Garmin over here because I don't have this what's called a head display unit. I don't have. For that, I want a charger separately. I only have one USB because the USB I am using for, see this, there is a USB port and aux cable port. So this USB port I am using for to hear the music because I am I'm loading some music into my USB drive, and I fix it over here, and then I listen to music through this radio because this is a radio optional available. When I was taking radio packet is available with this car. So now I have this 12 volt socket. Just what I need to do, I want to take it's like just like I want to take one connection from here with this adapter, and I need to plug that I-type connector to the side. That's the thing. So I can connect it, and the other end I wire like a professional wiring. I done like with a cloth tape. So I will fix this other end to this back side of this charging socket. Okay. The other one is four-way indicator. This one I ordered in Temu and I bought it. So I'm just tapping the 12 volt to this charger. Okay, because this is a converter unit, so it's a fast charging. Okay, so that's the thing I'm going to do here. With the help of a plier, only you need to close this on the wire. So the wire will be slightly break inside, and it will show the voltage. I want to check the voltage too. Then I will fix it. Only plug and play. There is no need to screw and all, because only we need to remove two screws from here, like 1 and 2, and remove the dummy pieces. That's all. Because it's like looking like a pro. See this? It's look like a pro. There is nothing if it is closed, because this one having a red color light, so we need to close it, because otherwise sometimes it will distract driver. So that's why this cover is also there. So I thought that because this is a good model. Am I right? Am I right? Please comment me if you like the Aygo owners. If you like, please comment me. So that's all. That's for now. I need to plug and play. Then I will show you the look. See, now both I fix it over here. I don't want to cut the wire, because cutting, pasting, these all are not good. So in this side we need to fix this adapter. I-type. Okay, I-type adapter I will fix it. So I will get the voltage. Okay, then I will check it. Okay, this is I-type adapter. This is the connector for the 12 volt. Okay, so this both will work very beautifully. Okay, because this converter only need a small amount of current, and meantime I can use this Garmin in my secret lamp, because even if you use the secret lamp also no problem, because it's enough ampere of 20 ampere fuse is in the front side of the for the radio and navigation and this accessories, 20 ampere fuse. So we don't need to worry about that. It's enough. So in working with this, I'm checking the polarity. Okay, so beautifully I'm checking the polarity like this. That means red to red is positive and this one is negative. So here how I connect it, the black is a positive, and anyway this white with the black lines, these all are negative. Okay, in this case. Okay, so I will check the load test right now. With the help of a bulb I will check the load. Okay, if it is inverse, because if I change the polarity, then the multimeter shows the negative. That means you inverse the direction. That means the positive, this is positive and this is negative. You understand? So I want to confirm it. You see this? I will change it again. This one I take it out and I will fix it over here. Okay, just a moment. I will connect this to, see this black wire I will put it in the blue line, and red I will put it in the red line. So to capture this video. So that's why some disturbance. So right now this is the negative one. If it needs inverse also we can find it. This is positive and this is negative. Understand? If it is inverse condition, this will be negative. So I found this is okay. Now 13 volt DC is available. Okay, I will put off the engine. We can check the range. I will change. Just I will put it on again. I will check the range. Slowly dropping down the battery, because this battery is a good condition. That's why. Okay. So this volt is enough for our device. So I will connect it and I will show you how it will be look like. See this? I'll show you the color inside. See the color? It's a blue color inside. You see? Blue color. So this one will become blue color, and this is also blue color. Okay. So two blue colors are there. So nice. So now I'm going to pack it back. I will show you what is the condition. So if I want to, I have another one is the charging voltage. It will show here. You understand? Charging voltage and outside temperature will display here. This one also you can tap from this wire. Okay, that is because that is not much load, because this is a 0.75 mm square wire I use here. Okay, so more current will pass through this. More current flow will be there. Because of this lighter, DC wire. This is DC wire. I'm using this AC wire here because I don't have a DC wire. That's why I'm using an AC wire, because this is pure copper. It is enough to pass the amperes. Okay, because this is maximum of 3 to 4 ampere. That is not much. Sorry, this one is 3 to 4 ampere. That's not much. Okay, like that. 3 ampere is enough. And this one also very little charge is required. A small wire is enough, because I supposed to fix over here, because I have a dummy piece here. I supposed to fix this over here, but unfortunately there is some couplings and cables. This is not a top end model, as it is not a top end model. This is the mirror control, I think so. So this square piece is disturbing me too much. So
Inshallah, brothers. Yo, this is, you see, the radio code colors. You see, it's almost identical. I just connect it to test this one. Correct temperature inside the vehicle, and it will show the outside of the vehicle. I'll show you. Then I will switch it on. Outside temperature is you see, outside temperature is 7. It will show the inside temperature of the vehicle and the current battery voltage. It will help you while traveling. Is it charging or not charging? Everything you will come to know. You understand? So this is I not found a good place, because otherwise I need to tell everyone. So I finally come to make a decision that I will fix it over here, because this wire is dummy piece. So I will put it inside, then I will pack it, then I will show you what is the output. Okay, so for this I will tap the 12 volt wire, then I will come to know how beautiful it is. Once it is packed, then we will come to know everything. So almost wiring is finished, complete. A positive mentioned as red, and this one mentioned as black, and everything like original connections and completed. So there is no cut over there. Everything will be professional. So I want to connect the last thing, because this one is like a battery meter, and the temperature says ahead inside the cabin how much temperature it's showing. We can see with this particular stuff. Okay, so I make hole with the help of a butane gas lighter. After that, you see everything very bad inside. So I want to fit it back, because these connectors I need to secure it somewhere, because this is for a plug and play. We can alter it later, because this one for the mirror control. So I don't want that. I'm using a jack wire. A light wire only required for this kind of signaling purposes. Okay, so I'm using this jack wire only. So at the end of this jack wire, I need to connect with a connector over here. Then I will just push it inside. That's all. That's the thing. So once I connect it, I will show you. Okay. So once I'm going to fix this one back. So before that, I want to reduce the noise. So I'm using this one. I need to cut into 2 pieces. Then I will put it over here. Then I will see everywhere I put it like this. See. So the plastic to plastic, the sound will not come. So then I will clip it. Okay, so I will tap it back everything. So that I am going to tap it back everything. So slowly I will tap it back everything like this. You see, everything will go like this, and it will tap everything back to normal position. Then the vibration will be very less. Now see how it's look like. You can open it, and you can fast charge your iPhone, your Android, or C cable, or a USB cable. But don't put a USB drive over here. Okay, we have USB drive over here. So now everything will be fine. So I will check the load test. Right now everything will be okay. You see this? I think you like this video. Now I finish this one. Then I'm going to complete my last assignment. This one I need to pack it, and I need to fix it back. Yes, I now have the automatic mirror adjustment. Instead of that, I will put one short mirror on the top, biconcave or biconcave lens, like one mirror I will put it on the top. That I am planning. Okay, right now I will be fix this. Okay.